So it really is a great day to live in Bluffton, South Carolina. I take that from former Governor Nikki Haley. It's always a beautiful day to be in our town, and especially with the opening of the Culinary School of the South. It is an effort that started in little small Bluffton, worked its way up through the county, through another county, all the way to Washington. Of all governments to participate in what we feel is a huge economic driver. We're a young town, our average age is 37, so we want these young students to learn their craft, stay here. We need to find them places to live here and raise their families here, and that's the epitome of what a town is all about, is legacy of family to families.
So it's a wonderful day here at the Culinary Institute of the South, Technical College of the Low Country. This is the day where this big project, this big construction project has come to fruition. And it's been about 7 years in the making, so it's just a wonderful day for us all. But it actually begins a new step, which is the execution phase in training culinarians and folks who want to work in the hospitality industry. We can handle almost 400 students in this facility. It's just been wonderful, and I can't say enough about the folks that helped to make this happen.
So today, a special day, a beautiful day, we're walking into our building for the first time and having a first look by many of our community members. We're very proud to be here, and this is going to be a great program for our workforce development and for just the community in general.
I think because Beaufort County is such a hospitality destination where we pride ourselves on how we take care of people, whether that's the accommodations they stay in or how we feed people at restaurants or when they visit our attractions. And so I think today is very exciting for us as a region because it's going to lift that entire restaurant space up and how we train culinarians and then put them right into the workforce. So today is an exciting opportunity for economic development, for economic opportunity for our people, and a rising tide lifts all boats across Beaufort County. So congratulations to the Technical College of the Low Country and their team.
Workforce development is such a critical success factor for any community. Technical College of the Low Country is our vital workforce partner across Beaufort County and the Beaufort region. With the construction and opening of the Culinary Institute of the South, TCL will even be better positioned to meet the needs of employers in such an important segment of our economy.
When I heard that they were doing this a couple of years ago, I didn't know it was in the works, and when I finally was told, I said, that's amazing. Not only amazing, but necessary in this area, whose food scene is growing so quickly that it's hard to, we all know what's going on with the labor issues, but to have a place here locally that can produce talent that will stay here and hopefully open restaurants, and next thing you know, we've got a real blossoming food scene on our hands, and I think that's amazing.